Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make Five Nights at Freddy's game on Scratch. So first you wanna delete the cat. You wanna paint new sprite, and you wanna make this the menu screen. So you wanna do it all black. So it covers the whole entire screen. And yeah, let's do. We have to do one night because if we did 5, then this series would just take way too long. So one night at let's just do like let's see here, let's think about this. Let's just do like obstruct cube society YouTube or something. Yeah, there we go. If it's cutting off the screen, just do this. Let's hit save now. And you want to paint new sprite and make a character. So I'm just going to use my YouTube mascot, and I'll see you guys in when I made my mascot. Okay guys, and as you can see, I did my character. I also made this a bit bigger. So yeah, and now you want to duplicate this 30 times and make them like all super messed up. So I'll meet you guys once I did that. Okay guys, so as you can see, I did this. He's all messed up, but that is very creepy. So it will change from this to this and then something else. So I'll meet you guys when I did this other one. Okay, so here we go, we got this. So I'll flicker from this to this to this. So yeah, so like this time this guy is scared, this guy is scared, but now the full guy is scared. His brain's poking out. That's a bit gross. Okay, let's go into the description now. So when flag is clicked, show. You want to drag this onto here as well. When flag is clicked, show. When flag is clicked, wait, no. When flag is clicked, then you do the forever thingy. Forever. What costume? You can do like as many as you want, but I'm just doing it like this cause why not? Actually no, I recommend doing it like something like this. Okay, so now what you want to do is wait 1 second, drag them in between. You can just like mute it or something. Just do work. Then we're gonna do once you do this stuff, you do costume 1, costume 2, costume 1, costume 3, costume 3, costume 1, costume 2. There we go. So now what you want to do, then do this 1.07. No, 0.07, and then you do wait, hold on. So it's this one, and then 3, and then 0.07, then yeah, so this one, then this one. There you go. So now let's test it out. As you can see, he flickers. That is very creepy. Let's actually, we have to duplicate this, and then wait 1 second. Oh wait, no, hold on. 0.07. Let's try it now. There we go. So now, as you can see, he twitches. That is very creepy. Yeah. Okay guys, so I fixed it up so it's 1 1 2 0.07 1 1 3 0.07 and yeah, that's about that one. So now you wanna do paint, and this will be the new game button. This will be the button. I'll meet you guys. Actually, you know what? We don't really need to pause this one. Just new game. There you go. Let's shrink this down and put it wherever you want. I recommend putting it away from the guy. I'm just gonna put it right here because why not? And what we're gonna do is when sprite is clicked. Okay, so when the sprite is clicked, hide, broadcast night 1. And so if we do it now, if we click it, it hides. And then the broadcast night 1, I will show you what you need to do. You want to make a backdrop called night 1. So we have to do it all black. You can do it any color you want. Then you just do, let's just do marker, cause why not? Night 1. You have to type in night 1 or else like no one will get it, or like game start. And let's do like 12 a.m. Let's do it. There we go. Let's just give it some effect, cause yeah. Let's just do like this, cause why not? It's like one night. It's like gonna be very hard. So yeah. That's about it for now, guys. I'll show you how we actually first you have to do when I receive night 1, hide. Just drag it all into these ones. Okay guys, so I'll show you how to make like the office in the next one. So goodbye guys.